Hello, my name is Justin Maxon, and I'm a social practice artist with a background in photography. With this project, A Field Guide to a Crisis, which works with people with a substance abuse history, we are addressing the concepts of value and purpose. The project uplifts lived experience to the status of expert knowledge, where participants get the opportunity to identify, present, and teach their own crisis resilience skills. We've given 3 public presentations so far. Our most recent was at the Center for Photographic Art. One of the participants, Michelle M. Miller, led a walking performance based on her skill, Random Acts of Kindness. We choreographed 4 blocks in Eureka and found multiple locations that needed care, such as broken gate, overgrown weeds, and a dirty public building. And Michelle led us through the act of caring for these environments and told stories along the way. So please join us for our next presentation at the Medium Photo Festival, where we will do another skill sharing and performance. I look forward to seeing you there.